Hi guys, me and Miss Wilson here. We want to just say that we're missing you and we are excited to start contacting.
Oh no, Richard! He's okay.
It's fine, you guys.
Okay. Anyway, yes, we really miss you guys. We hope you're doing well under the circumstances. There's going to be a lot of new stuff that we're going to be dealing with, and we're still a little confused too, but we're going to figure it out together, and it's a great way for us to keep in contact with you, and so you actually have something to do for these next few weeks, because yes, you still need to do school because it's important.
And read.
Yes, and read.
So check your emails because that's the way we'll be contacting you most. So make sure you're checking that frequently, and we'll be setting up some more online learning that way. But you can contact us through email at any time right now.
Yep.
So we will be letting you know what sort of office hours we'll have, so the times that we will be close to our emails and our computers, so that way you can contact us when you need us.
Yes, but just to give you a heads up, we will be using Microsoft Teams a lot. I don't know if you have any experience with that. We're still learning how to use it, but it should be good. It'll be a great way for us to keep in contact with you, and yeah, we'll go from there. There's some other stuff that we will also be talking to your parents about in terms of food, computers, everything that you need to be successful. So just keep an eye out for that as well. That's all I had.
Yeah, miss you guys.
We're excited to see you a lot. We hope you're doing well.